how might somebody try to recover from PTSD, and how does that relate to attunement?
Attunement plays a crucial role in recovering from complex PTSD. Essentially, attunement means being deeply aware of and responsive to one's own emotional and physiological states, as well as being able to connect with others in a regulated and harmonious way. For someone with complex PTSD, early experiences often disrupted this natural attunement, leading to chronic states of hypervigilance or dissociation. Recovery involves reestablishing a sense of safety and connection. This can be achieved through therapeutic relationships where the therapist provides consistent attunement, helping the individual relearn how to tune into their own internal states and regulate their emotions. This process can also be supported by practices like mindfulness, body awareness exercises, and gentle movement therapies, all of which help rebuild the capacity for self attunement and co regulation with others. Over time, this fosters a more stable, resilient nervous system and a greater sense of inner safety.